Well, I think it's absolutely crucial because we are seeing now that the real estate market is moving. A lot of that has been driven by EU legislation on energy efficiency, on renewable energies, which has started to require the market to move in this direction. The interesting thing is I think that we're not seeing actually valuation catch up with that, and particularly we're not seeing the valuation profession as a whole look at, well, we know some of that legislation has started to change the market landscape. We also know there's more coming, and that's going to impact the future value of properties, whether people have a strategy for this across their portfolios. So we need to start thinking about how we reflect better that future market, because we're seeing how that will come to impact value. That's not currently the way necessarily the valuation market works. I think that's what this project really needs to look at addressing, and so we're very glad to see that it is looking at addressing precisely that. I think the interesting thing is understanding across the valuation community the different sorts of data that people need to start to integrate within a better decision-making process to enable them to actually more accurately reflect what the value of a particular property will be, not just in the very short term at a moment in time, but what sort of value that property will hold. And we see, for example, with regards to energy efficiency, not just in the valuation profession, but more generally, there are many different data sources. They're not aligned. Some of them are very difficult to get. So major challenge, first of all, engaging with valuation professionals, understanding what kind of data they need to inform better decision making, but equally understanding how we get that information, where some of it exists, where new information needs might need to be identified and new data created.